Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today on Ciel Kitty, I wanted to do an unboxing, and I actually wasn't planning on getting or receiving my package so soon. So I got this package from AmiAmi, and if you know them, they are a anime figurine company that I've been wanting to purchase off of, but I've had some issues, and ordering this package alone, it came with a lot of issues. I won't really go into details. Basically, if you have a credit card, use it, and just be aware that your card may or may not be frozen depending on if you use it a lot on anime merch or if you don't. So definitely check in with your credit card company and definitely check in with your provider just to make sure that it doesn't freeze your account or anything gets mixed up. But I got this, I think I want to say I ordered this last month, and I got it in, that was pretty quick actually. I think I ordered it, I want to say before Christmas. So I ordered this, and I kind of want to see what's in here, but I have, like I said, I collect Black Butler merch and I collect anime merch, and so I have packages coming and going, and I have two big boxes for Black Butler merch that are still coming in. So some of this is for Black Butler, and the other parts, you know, it's a little bit finicky. So we're kind of working it out. But I have a ton of, I actually don't think I have any room in my house for this anime merch, but we'll figure it out. So this is the box that you get. It could depend on what size you get based on what you get. I got not a lot of things. I think I got like 5 items. And the shipping wasn't too bad. So, I mean, I don't really have any complaints. I didn't get the fast mail. I got the one with the tracking. I forget which one that is, but let's open this up. And by the way, this video is not sponsored. I hopefully will be purchasing off AmiAmi again, but I might not. And I know that they have pre-orders that I've been wanting for a long time, and I still have the Ciel figure for the pre-order on the way. It's not here yet. I think it releases in March. So I also pre-ordered that, but it's not here yet. So also, if you ever buy these box cutter thingies, they fall apart easily. So just think about that if you want to get these. They're super cute, but they're sometimes a pain. It's been so long since I've been on YouTube, honestly. It's been a month, and I've just been taking a break, and a lot's been going on in my life, so please understand that I'm trying the best that I can, but I'm so happy to be back on YouTube. So, in this box, you get, it's very nicely wrapped. I actually like it. So this is my first time buying from them. You get this little thank you card. It's super cute, and it just says, you know, thank you for shopping with us, and if you need any support, we're here to help you and support. Okay, so they package it really nicely. Did I only order 3? I think I only ordered 3 things, guys. What else did I order? Wait, what's this? You know, actually, oh, I think I know what this is. This is a calendar. So one of them is calendar. The other 2 is, okay, I gotta sort this all out. And I got a little, did I get anything else? No, not really. Okay, I got like 4 items. Just make sure nothing else in here. So I got 4 items. I kind of wish I bought more because, yeah. So we will start off with the first item. I actually wasn't planning on getting this, but I decided that I wanted to get a Riddle Rosehearts figure, and these are super cute. I didn't realize how small they were, so why they look so big on the thing, but I guess I didn't really do measurements. But this is super cute, so I'm gonna unbox him. And then I got this Black Butler Ciel acrylic standee that's like a little swing. So I'll set that up for you guys. And then I decided that I wanted to get the Ciel Phantomhive pin. This is like a pin badge and it's very sparkly. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a, if I shine it this way, the lights. So it's super cute. And I like his expression on this one. And then this one is actually the calendar for Black Butler that I got my hands on. And I think this was, no, this one was already released. It wasn't a pre-order. How am I gonna open this? I don't know if it's like a, I don't know what to expect, honestly. This might be really big. Okay, so they have the 2025 calendar, and I don't know if it just comes in. No, it doesn't. It doesn't come in. So it's in a roll like this. It's the 2025 calendar, and okay, so this was rolled up pretty tight. So this is the calendar. I didn't realize how big it was. Again, I didn't do measurements, so I thought it would be really tiny. Jeez Louise. This is the calendar. It's bigger than my face and body combined. Hi everyone, so I had to do this at my height because it was way too cumbersome to figure it out. So I pinned it to the wall and I'm just gonna show you what it has. So this is the front page. The next page is Edgar Redmond. Next page is Lawrence Bluer. Herman Greenhill. Gregory Violet. And lastly, Ciel. I wanted to set it up like this so you can actually see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna set this one up first because it's super cute. Like I said, I don't have any space on in my figurine cabinet yet. I think I do, I just gotta move some stuff around. Oh, okay. So it kind of goes like this. And if you're wondering about acrylic standees, they usually have a film on them, so I want to see if this one has a film on it. I'm not saving the packaging, unfortunately. I don't think I'll be reselling this. Does it have a film on it? No? Okay, so this one doesn't have a film on it. I don't know why. And then this. If I break this, I'm going to cry. I waited for a bit for this stuff to come in. Okay, so this little piece goes in here. I don't know which way it's supposed to go though. Well, I guess it goes this way. So it kind of fits in like this. And then the little acrylic charm goes on this. It's funny because I'm in like my casual wear, but I think later I'm going to do my Wander makeup tutorial. So I might be posting 2 videos at the same time. It's so weird it doesn't have film on it, but okay. That's interesting. Okay, so you have it like this. I feel like if Ciel bought this in real life, he'd be slapping Sebastian with this and like it'd be so annoying. But yeah, this is super cute. Then I want to open this little badge for you. I'm not saving this. I'm not saving the packaging. It's super shiny. I'm gonna put it in my collection. And then lastly, we have this little figure that I want to unbox. So in here you get this little pouch and you gotta put it together. I didn't realize how small this was. I hope I don't break anything. So this is the little figure. I'm so shocked at how small he is. I don't know why on all the listings he looks so much bigger, and I guess they just do it for like marketing, but he's super cute. I don't think I have a place for him yet. I think my cat would knock it over. So you put him in this little stand like this. I don't know where I'm gonna put this little guy. He's super cute. He might actually sit with Ciel, but Ciel doesn't have a baby figure of him, so I don't know where I'm gonna put these. So these are the figure. This is the figure over here. And then I got the acrylic standee, which I actually like. It's on a swing. It's super nice to look at, and just a little bit different from the regular merchandise that I get, because usually I get the standees. And then this pin over here, which is super cute, and this is the back. So I placed the little keychain in here, and I'm probably gonna move it later. And then I put Rose Riddle Heart up there because it looks like it goes with it, but it doesn't. And at some point I will get another anime shelf, like an anime glass case, and display other merchandise, but for now I'm just gonna keep these two up here. And unfortunately I don't have a place where they can't be potentially getting sun damage. Like, it has light in here. I don't know if that's gonna affect them, but probably with age it might. So I'm trying my best to protect them, but we'll see. And over here, I still need to figure out where this is even gonna go, because I don't think I have room for it. It could go right above here, maybe. I don't know, maybe that's too weird. Or I could put it, I want to say over here with all my black Butler merchandise. I might actually put it over there. Where am I gonna even put this? I can't even reach up there. I guess I'll have to get a stool. So I managed to get up here somehow, and it looks great. Now I have to get down. Yeah, so I guess I'll put it here with my other Ciel and my little rabbit over here. And now I should probably get down. So after 2 hours later, no, just joking, it actually took me a few minutes because I had to climb on top of that thing. And let me tell you, it actually was hard. Okay, so now that I have this up, I'm going to put up the other calendar set. Okay, so I managed to get it up, and this is what it looks like with my rabbit and everything else. Just pretend there's not a mess on this desk, and we'll be okay. But this is the setup of these two. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you loves later. Please stay tuned for my Wanderer video. It should be out maybe a week or so after this video is out, or it could be, we'll just see how far I get. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, comments, links are below, and I will see you loves later.